Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful orangey yellow makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. It means a lot to me, you guys. If you guys do like this video, it just makes it easier for so it's suggested to other people, so it's a lot easier for my channel to get more discovered. And you guys know I'm trying to grow my channel. So I decided to do this bright color. I've noticed that you guys really like how I've been doing my colorful makeup looks, so I'm trying my best to do all these looks for you guys where it's very dramatic and colorful. Let me know down below what other color combinations you would like to see. I will be trying to get to them and do them as I go. So yeah, I did use the Makeup Geek shadows. I'm actually gonna go through my collection today and see what other palettes I have that I haven't played with, so I can use them in makeup looks, because I don't want to bore you guys. So yeah, I think maybe this is the last look I'm going to do with the Makeup Geek shadows. Unless you guys really like that, then let me know in the comments down below. I really like you guys' feedback, and that's about it. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, oh, also, don't judge me, but since we can't get our nails done, I was bored and I was playing with the whiteout and I colored my nails. And then I did dishes, and then, yeah, so don't judge. So anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then keep on watching. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and take care, stay safe. I love you all, and just keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the concealer from Morphe. This is the lightest shade they have. And I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow base. I'm going to go ahead and blend this out with a brush. And then I'm going to go with the Makeup Geek, Chickadee, and Morocco. And I'm going to mix those two together and apply this right onto my crease. Then I'm going with this yellow shade from the Makeup Geek Power Pigment collection. And I'm applying this on my crease, blending the first shadow that we applied. And then I'm going back again with those two colors and reapplying, and then I'm blending as I go. Alright, so I'm going back again with that concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and carve out my crease. I could have done it a cleaner way, but I was like in a hurry because I was supposed to be doing some other stuff and I wanted to film this video, but I don't know. I was kind of like trying to hurry to finish because I felt like I was too long in my room. So then I'm going to go with this white shade from the Makeup Geek palette, and I'll list all the products down below and my discount code as well. You can use prettygrace for some money off. Then I'm applying the yellow shade right in the center of the lid. I am packing this color. These colors are so pretty, you guys. Like together, it just looks like a sunset vibe. Then I'm just going to go ahead and apply the orangey shade in the outer corner of the lid. Then I do bring a little bit up on my crease, and then I just go back and forth with the yellow and the orange just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended together. And you just want to take your time to blend these colors so it doesn't look too harsh. So yeah, that's what I went ahead and I did. I just went back and forth, made sure that everything was really nice and blended. Alright, so after everything is blended, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I did apply my eyeliner off camera because I'm really good at eyeliner. So then I'm using this Urban Decay glitter. I'll list it down below for you guys. I wanted to add some glitter just to give it a little bit of pop. And then I went ahead and applied some bold lashes. These are the ones on repeat. And you can use Pretty Grace for some money off. So pretty. I really like the lashes. So then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing I did at the top. I'm going to do at the bottom. So I'm going to place the yellow in the middle, then the orange in the outer corner, and then the white in the inner corner. Then I'm using a BH Cosmetics pencil, and I'll list it down below as well. Then we're going to go ahead and apply some mascara. Then I'm just going to go ahead and add some Maybelline highlight. First, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the highlight to my cheekbones. I really like doing the setting spray first, then the highlight, because I just feel like it makes the highlight pop a little bit more. And then it just doesn't like stick to my pores or anything like that. So for lips, I am using a pencil from Makeup Forever. I have no idea what color it is because it doesn't have a number. It's just weird how they have their things. Then I'm using the liquid lipstick from Jeffree Cosmetics, and I'm nude. And then I'm using Princess Cut from ColourPop as a gloss. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.